Okay, today we're going to talk about how to enter the glue mode on the GYS resistance spot welders. We're going to start from the auto screen, and what we're going to do is press the menu button and go over to standard. The glue mode can only be used in the standard or manual modes. We're going to hold down the mode button until the settings menu pops up. Arrow down until you highlight glue. Arrow over, and then increase by milliseconds. Press the up arrow, and we're going to start it goes up to 400 milliseconds. We'll start it at 350. Hit the mode button to enter it and hold the mode button 2 seconds, and that will take you back to the calibration screen. Hit it one more time, takes you to standard, and it says that you are in the glue mode. Now when you weld, when it's in the glue mode, you will notice here, I'm gonna bump our steel thickness up to about 1.5, and then we're gonna weld, and you'll notice a double beep. The first beep, it will burn out the dried glue, and then the second beep will weld. So you're going to use this where you have existing dry glue, like in a B-pillar, where you're adding another third panel and you already have two panels glued together. You can see in our confirmation screen that everything is okay. We welded at 8,000 amps, 400 milliseconds, and 603 foot-pounds of compression pressure. And we're still in the glue mode. So again, mode button, select glue, and then you want to be in standard or manual mode. If I hit mode one more time, it'll take me to the manual mode, which is basically the same as standard, but it gives you more parameters that you can manually set. You can now set amperage, time, pressure, and then the multi-mode, you can set up 3 individual sheets by thickness and steel type. We can go 1.2, high strength, ultra high strength. Hit it one more time, it goes to boron. So now we have it set up for 3 pieces of metal. We'll grab a third, and you'll hear a double beep, and it welds. And there's our spot. If you have questions, call us. This is Jeff Melvin at GYS Welding, 314-280-4900.